The while statement. The while statement executes a set of statements repeatedly until the logical expression evaluates to true. When the condition becomes false, the control comes out of the loop. The syntax of while statement is given below.
Program 5 to demonstrate the use of a while loop.
The while loop using else statement. Python enables the use of else statement with the while loop. The else block is executed when the condition given in the while statement becomes false. Program 6 to demonstrate the use of while loop with else statement.
You will get the following output. Infinite loop. If the condition given in a loop never becomes false, then the loop will never terminate and run indefinitely. This type of loop is called an infinite loop. Example output, hello, will be printed infinite times. To come out of the infinite loop, we can either close the program window or press Ctrl+C. This will break the running of the program.